Welcome to my apple pruning video. Here we have a mature tree with a lot of vigorous growth. The aim here is to thin out and reduce these vigorous stems to try and encourage fruiting spurs to form. It's a lovely day in mid-January here in Devon. I'll always start by assessing the tree to see exactly what it needs. Again, the fundamentals for any pruning works should always be to start with removing any dead, damaged or diseased material and go from there. Any weak growth that's hanging low and will be in the way of lawn mowing, I'll trace back and remove to an upright stem. I've had a look and there are no large stems to remove. We just need to reduce these vigorous stems. Let's get into it. So any vigorous stems I'm reducing to 2 or 3 buds that will hopefully form fruiting spurs. Any weak growth I'm removing back to the main stems. This opens up the canopy, which will allow access later in the year for picking the fruit. So I finished pruning everything I can reach. We've thinned out a lot of the stems and reduced them in height. This type of pruning in the winter really encourages those stems to then form fruiting spurs. You can see as we move around, a lot of the low-hanging branches have been taken out to improve the access. Also, in between the main stems, you're able to get a ladder which will really help in picking the fruit. A heavy crop of apples puts a lot of strain on these overextended limbs, which is why it's really important to reduce them each year. Now I just need to tidy up the mess. As we head into the autumn, I'll come back to this tree and see how it's performed during the year and what kind of apple crop we've got too. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and don't forget to subscribe.